Welcome to Drawlipar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete YouTube search history. Now the first thing you have to do is open your YouTube app. Now from here tap on this profile icon, then go to settings, and here you can see your data in YouTube option. Now just tap here and give it a moment. Now from here scroll down, and here you can see YouTube search history option. Now just tap here. From here scroll down again, then go to manage history, and from here you can find your YouTube search history. You can delete your search history one by one from here. To delete any search history, just tap on this X icon and you can see it's deleting now. Also, if you want to delete your all the YouTube history, then just tap on this icon. After that, choose delete all time and then tap on delete, and it's done. Here you can see deletion complete, and now your YouTube search history has been deleted successfully. Now if you go back, and after that you cannot find any search history here. And that is how you can delete YouTube search history. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.